Here's how you can fix the EA app not launching. So first, you need to go ahead and run the EA app as an administrator. Right-click on the EA app icon and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box labeled Run this program as an administrator and click on Apply and OK. Second, clear the EA app's cache files. Open the Run dialog by searching for it and type in %local app data % and press Enter. In the window that opens, you should see folders named EA Desktop and Electronic Arts. Delete both of these folders by right-clicking them and selecting the Trash or Delete option. This clears the EA app's cache. Third, check your user variables. Right-click on the Windows icon and select System. Click on Advanced System Settings and then Environment Variables. In the User Variables section, look for the variable named Game Data dir, and if you see it, delete it. Fourth, change your clock settings. Search for and open the control panel. Click on Clock and Region, then go to Region, go to Administrative tab, click on Change System Locale, and check the box for beta. Click on OK and then restart your computer. Now you can check if the problem is solved. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.